I live my life one cough drop at a time. Because when you can't breathe, nothing matters. Not the mortgage, not the cars, not the channel. For those 60 seconds or less, I can breathe. I can breathe like an Olympic sprinter. And I am free. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I am L to the W. I am a veteran, a car enthusiast, and a vlogger. If you're joining for the very first time, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like the content. Anyhow, I just posted a video on how I got the GTO, and I got totally called out for, not having my coffee. Dude. Oh, that's hilarious, man. But anyhow, man, look. So I got my coffee, and look. Hopefully you can see that. We're doing it for Dale, baby. Doing it for Dale. Delicious. Anyhow, yeah, I got that in Newton, North Carolina at the Dale Earnhardt Chevy, because I really did it for Dale big time. My beautiful black Chevy SS, that's where I actually went to go buy the car. I got a great deal on it, and maybe I'll do a story on that, how I ended up with that car, because it's a little bit of a story in and of itself. But anyhow, I am here at Sam's Club waiting for my beautiful wife to show up, because we're going to probably do something silly and ridiculous. I don't know. But anyhow, let's wait on her. And here she is, the beautiful wifey. Let's go start some trouble here at Sam's.
What? Starting in trouble.
We always start trouble.
No.
Yeah.
We're good people.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Taking parking by yourself to a whole new extreme there, little one.
Yes, sir.
This is what happens when she gets a new car after driving something that was like, what, 15, 20 years old? You know what you gotta check Hallmark for? That's me right there with the camera. That was me. Heck yeah, look at that one. All American Snoopy, babe. Yeah. Cool, man, cool. Oh, and that concludes shopping with the wife. Start procedure for the cruise. Start. Heat seat. Heat steering wheel. I know it's only 42 degrees, but man, that's Floridians, right? That's horrible. Oh, time to go home and this section of the vlog. Some of you asked in the past, so here is some more. Very authentic Russian soup. So how long does this date back?
15th century.
15th century. So this is like pre-Soviet Union?
Yeah, pre-Soviet Union. It says it has 5 types of meat.
5 types of meat.
Yep.
Wow.
Okay. Let's go eat.
Alright, it's my first time trying it.
Yes, you're supposed to eat it with a sour cream. Like that. Like that. Yeah, you're supposed to eat it like that.
Sour cream. Sour cream on soup.
Yeah.
Okay. Today, I have to fix one of these. These are called car capsules. They're made by Car Capsule. These are what I've been storing my cars in since I moved here. My last house I actually had a garage built, but I still use these because keep the humidity out. But unfortunately, we had some bad storms roll through the other day. I had the GTO out because I wanted to do reveal stuff with the wheels. So the capsule that it was in was empty. It kind of got airborne and ripped the wires out of the fan. That blue tent right there that I kind of use for to give the dogs some protection from the sun went airborne and went through this capsule here, basically just destroying this one. My Trans Am Firehawk is underneath this one, so I don't know, maybe I can come up with a deal with the car capsule for a new one of these. But, anyhow, the wires for the fan pulled out of here, so we need to go ahead and fix this. Ooh. All right, let's get this warming up. Oops. You know, I've used these crimp connectors for way, damn it. I don't know which one's which. Positives on the inside. So the white stripe is positive. And then I need to figure out which one of these is the center, and it'd be that one. Let's see if I touch that, there's nothing. So the center is positive, the white stripe is positive. Alright, so that one, let me make sure we wire this up right. And using these crimp connectors for way too long, they're garbage. I was just lazy at that time. We need to go ahead and do this right. That way I don't keep pulling apart. Oh shit, I cut that too thin. Ooh, that's still alive. Yeah, let's unplug that. Well, before we forget, let's put our heat shrink down here. There's no way I need that much heat shrink. Alright, so the white wire is positive. Go ahead and tin our iron a little bit. All right, this is a very hot torch. It's a little overkill for this. But it'll get the job done. Let's see. So while that's working, I'll show you something here. Those of you that are new to the channel, I actually own all this property back here too. And what I'm thinking is there's a private street back here. What I want to do is maybe in this corner right there, go ahead and clear that and do my garage, and then I can come in off of that back street. So that's the dream and the goals for right now. Is, like I said, in that back corner there, do a garage. I'd like it big enough to do like a 2-post lift, so I can put cars up and work on them, do things like exhaust and all kinds of things, and just have a place I can store these cars so I can get them out of those capsules. So yeah, I have the property in a great location to do that in, because like I said, got this entire piece of land here that's been untouched.
To have you find my side, I love everything about you. Oh,
Really?
What the hell?
The card's half as big as her. The card's half as big as you. Guac my world, really?
That is nice.
Oh.
Yeah, with some Russian style. And I'll try to put this one right here. And then give it, oh my gosh, look. And then give it to someone and say, hey, there's an envelope for you. Okay. Put that back where it belongs.
It's not quite how they had it.
Honey.
Wow. Wow.
There's more be mine. Love you lots. It's not the size. It's not the size that it matters. How you choose. Size matters, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what you said.
I'll videotape that. And I'm leaving. It's housewife. If I buy me one of those, I'm gonna stay home and cook for you.
You are a housewife.
I'm a housewife, I work.
Yeah, I know. You're abandoned. I stay at home all the time
Oh,
by
look at the
myself.
kittens. Yeah, I need to stay home.
You too, man. YouTube channel to run.
What is this? I thought it was a pig.
It's a pig of corn.
What is this? It's supposed to be like this. So cute. And then, except this. And then oh, it's a piggy princess.
Piggy princess.
Who comes with an idea like this?
Waiting on me.
You're waiting on me.
Waiting on me. Uh-oh, I'm playing copyrighted music. Alright guys, I had to stop for this. This is something you don't see every friggin' day. It's some kind of Batmobile, something or other. It is fucking, oh, it is bad. So do you remember this scene from 2 vlogs ago?
Oh my gosh, that's a beautiful vlog. That's what you're getting. I like this one. Yeah, that's you.
That's me, okay.
Yeah, that's you.
Well, here it is, the beautiful sloth. Yeah, we ended up getting it. Good memories. Oh, that's good. Yes, there's very much coffee in there, so don't ever let me get called out again for not having my coffee in my video. So anyhow, time to wrap up the vlog. We are already a bit long. I'm almost at about 13 minutes 30 seconds, so I'm trying to keep this as short as possible because I know you really don't want to hear me ramble. But sorry there's not a whole lot of car content in the video. So my channel's Cars Coffee Life, and you know, sometimes life takes on more than what I have to do with cars. You know, like I said, I don't have the money and resources to do modifications and stuff every day, so I do vlogs to keep current on what's up with everything in my life. You know, a lot of crazy stuff happens. You know, like had the incident with the storm destroying one of the car capsules. and then damaging. I actually had 3 of them. One just simply the plug came off, and then the other one I had to fix. So hopefully you enjoyed that. I know that segment was a little bit long, but it's kind of more like a how-to. That way if you ever kind of maybe run a similar situation with anything that has any kind of plug like that that rips, comes apart, you know, show you kind of how to figure out the polarity of these items. Now normally the car capsules don't have any type of connector. It feeds through the bottom, but what happened is because they put the plug, like the fan lays in here, they put the plug in the top and the cable dangles like that. It wore out, so I found something with a similar connector that fit into that fan, and I just quick cut it, crimp connected, and you know, they're not the best when you especially got something like that that's moving and wiggling. So kind of like a little how-to on how to fix that type of stuff. But I do have some car content definitely coming for the next video. I got some plugs I have to do in one of the cars. If you know what the TR7s are about, then you probably know what this is going into. I also have look at that, some limited slip additive. I got a car with a little bit of a noisy rear end, so we're going to be doing a differential oil change coming up. Hopefully you like my little beginning. It was a little play on one of the Fast and Furious, where he says, you know, I live my life with 8 seconds, 10 seconds at a time or something like that. So hopefully you enjoyed it. I kind of just popped in my mind, and I thought I'd do it with like a really dark background with just a little blue light there. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Kind of like a little fun with this. Also, it may seem weird, went to Hallmark, looked at some Snoopy stuff, and then I was like, there concludes shopping with the wife. We went to the mall. I thought we were going to do some other things, but she just, her friend's pregnant, and they're having a baby shower, and she went shopping for some clothes, so that was like extremely boring and took forever. Thank you. So I didn't even add it, so that seemed like a little weird. Sorry about that. But then sorry about the Batmobile. Like I said, it's GoPro issues. The Hero 7, as most people know, have heard of it. It's like the gimbal killer. There's supposed to be some type of built-in stabilization in here. So I don't know if it freaked out or what it did, but it just looked like whatever inside the camera was just like moving left and right. And I don't know, I tried adding stabilization things to the video. You know, the software I use has things to like stabilize video. I still couldn't shake it. I even tried going more to a slow motion, slow it down, but then it even looked even worse, because then it was just like a big pan this way, a big pan that way. I really tried, but I mean, this was such a cool, unique experience. I had to, even though the footage, like I said, was a bit shaky, I had to add it because it's just too cool. I mean, when do you like ever come across something like this? I mean, so anyhow, like I said, car stuff definitely come up on the next video, but this is what I do. I vlog and I do as much car stuff as I can. So hopefully as the channel gets bigger, get more money rolling in, we can do a lot more car stuff. But anyhow, I know I rambled a little too much anyhow, but let me just end. Thank you so much for the positive support. Channel is growing and it's fantastic. So just, man, I can't thank everybody enough for the support and subscribing to the channel. It does truly mean a lot. I mean, it really does help me. I can't even express how much it means to me. So if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the content. And hopefully we will see you on the next vlog. Till then, have a good weekend.
Can you please stop videotaping? I'm gonna use it.